Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of avocados, a small, vibrant green fruit packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins. Did you know that American farmers harvested over 260 million pounds of avocados every year? The secret isn't in massive machines, it's in the skilled hands of hardworking farmers. And thanks to advanced processing techniques, these fresh avocados are transformed into rich, golden avocado oil, perfectly frozen avocado chunks, and most importantly, smooth, creamy guacamole. Ready to elevate any meal and steal the show at Super Bowl parties or any festive gathering. Join Agriculture Insight as we dive into the incredible journey of avocados, from lush orchards to high-tech processing facilities. Let's get started. Right now, we are in California, known as the avocado capital of the United States. This state produces 90% of the country's total avocado supply, making the U.S. one of the world's largest avocado producers. However, domestic production still doesn't meet demand, forcing the U.S. to import a large amount of avocados from other countries, especially Mexico. Typically, an avocado tree takes about 6 to 7 months to bloom and bear fruit. By summer, when the orchards are heavy with ripe avocados, farmers work tirelessly, checking ripeness, preparing harvest baskets, and carefully hand-picking each avocado to ensure the best quality. The United States is known for having one of the most advanced agricultural industries in the world, where high-speed harvesting machines and cutting-edge technology help boost productivity. However, when it comes to avocados, no machine can replace the hands of a skilled farmer. To ensure the highest quality, farmers still rely on traditional hand harvesting methods, paying attention to every little detail. They only pick perfectly ripe avocados, not too soft, not too firm, with smooth, unblemished skin. Long poles with specialized cutting blades allow them to reach avocados on high branches, while sturdy ladders provide support for picking fruit in harder-to-reach areas. Once an avocado is cut from the tree, it is carefully placed into a basket worn on the chest, preventing any impact that could bruise its delicate skin. Afterward, the avocados are neatly arranged in crates under the trees, ready for the next stage of their journey. A skilled farmer can harvest up to 1,000 pounds of avocados per hour. Compared to machines that can process tons of fruit in the same time, this may seem modest, but the precision and care of human hands are something technology has yet to fully replicate. Hand harvesting not only preserves the quality of avocados by preventing bruising and scratches, but also helps retain their freshest flavor. It's more than just a task, it's an art, reflecting the dedication and respect that American farmers have for their crops. So, what happens to the avocados after they leave the orchard? The answer is about to be revealed. Before reaching consumers, avocados go through a strict processing system at the packing facility to ensure the highest quality. Once they arrive, the avocados are placed in cold storage, where temperatures are maintained between 40 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. This process slows down ripening, keeping the fruit in its optimal condition before moving on to the next processing steps. The avocados are first carefully transported through an automated conveyor system, guiding them to the washing area where the cleaning process begins. Here, high-pressure spray nozzles operate with precision, releasing powerful streams of clean water onto the surface of each avocado. Layers of dirt, impurities, or any debris clinging to the avocado skins are thoroughly removed thanks to the force and accuracy of the spray system. This process not only ensures the avocados are clean, but also guarantees that they meet strict hygiene standards before proceeding to the next stages of processing. Next, they pass through a water tank containing a food-safe solution, which helps eliminate bacteria and extend their shelf life. After washing, the avocados journey into the drying system, where soft rotating brushes embrace them like a gentle breeze sweeping over rolling hills. They tumble gracefully, shedding every last drop of moisture as if shaking off a light morning dew. This delicate process ensures each avocado emerges pristine and unscathed, its skin smooth and flawless, ready for the next stage of its adventure. Next, the avocados pass through a high-speed optical sorting machine, where state-of-the-art laser sensors scan each fruit in a fraction of a second, analyzing color, size, ripeness, and even the tiniest surface defects. This system operates with remarkable precision, processing thousands of avocados per hour to ensure consistency in quality. By maintaining strict quality standards, this automated sorting process ensures that only the finest avocados continue down the production line, optimizing efficiency while minimizing waste. After passing the quality check, the avocados move along the conveyor belt to the automatic labeling machine. Each label is printed with information about the origin, type, and batch number, then applied directly to the fruit. Finally, the avocados drop onto a lower conveyor belt, sorted according to their size, before moving on to the next stage of processing. Here, workers carefully pick up each avocado, placing them neatly on padded trays before packing them into cartons. Additionally, avocados can also be carefully packaged in durable mesh bags, which allow for proper ventilation and help maintain the freshness of the fruit during transportation and storage. In more advanced factories, automated robotic arms take over this task. These robots are equipped with high-precision sensors, allowing them to pick up each avocado and place it into cartons without damaging the delicate skin. A single robot can package over 1,200 cartons per hour, significantly boosting production efficiency. Once packaged, avocados are stacked onto pallets and moved to cold storage, where they are kept at a temperature of 39 to 42 degrees Fahrenheit. This controlled environment helps maintain freshness and quality before they are transported to consumers. In the US, while 65% of avocados are consumed fresh, the remaining 35% are processed into products such as avocado oil, and most notably, guacamole, a creamy, rich dip made from mashed avocados blended with selected spices to create a refreshing and flavorful taste. Once cleaned, the avocados continue along the conveyor belt to the peeling and depitting station. Skilled workers carefully cut the avocados in half, remove the pits, and scoop out the flesh with precision, ensuring the soft, creamy interior remains intact without damage. The avocado flesh is then transferred to the grinding system, where sharp blades blend it to a perfectly smooth consistency. At the same time, lime juice, salt, garlic, onions, cilantro, and green chilies are added using an automated dosing system, ensuring a well-balanced and consistent flavor in every batch of guacamole. Once mixed, the guacamole undergoes a thorough quality check, where its texture, color, and taste are inspected before entering the packaging line. The mixture is then pumped into containers or vacuum-sealed bags using an automated filling system, with an accuracy of just 1 gram, ensuring each product has the correct weight. Guacamole is then placed into the HPP system, a technology that uses extremely high pressure to eliminate bacteria without the need for high temperatures or preservatives. This process helps maintain the fresh flavor and quality of the product for a longer shelf life. Finally, the packaged guacamole is carefully stacked onto pallets and stored in cold storage, ready for distribution to supermarkets, restaurants, and consumers worldwide. Beyond its creamy, flavorful dip, avocados are also processed into high-value, nutrient-rich oil. After being cleaned, peeled, and pitted, the avocado flesh is finely mashed before entering a cold pressing system to extract pure avocado oil while preserving its natural nutrients. The extracted oil then goes through a filtration and refinement process using advanced technology to remove impurities, ensuring the highest level of purity. The final product has a light yellow or greenish color, rich in healthy fats and vitamins for health and beauty. In addition, frozen avocado is highly popular because it provides an effective way to preserve the fruit while maintaining its flavor, color, and nutritional value. The avocado flesh is cut into pieces and quickly frozen at -0.4 degrees or lower to prevent oxidation. Thanks to rapid freezing technology, frozen avocados can be stored for up to 12 months without the need for preservatives. This product is widely used in smoothies, guacamole, avocado sauces, and many other dishes. Did you know that every avocado tree starts from a tiny seed? However, to ensure high yield and quality, farmers typically germinate the seed for 4 to 6 weeks. Afterward, it is grafted with branches from high-quality avocado varieties, ensuring larger, tastier, and more stable fruit. After 6 to 12 months, young avocado trees are transferred to well-drained, loose soil in orchards, with each tree spaced 13 to 20 feet apart to allow for proper growth. Automated drip irrigation systems efficiently supply water, preventing overwatering and root rot. After 3 to 4 years, the trees begin to flower and bear fruit. But to maintain quality, farmers prune the branches annually to ensure better airflow and reduce pests. So we've just explored the amazing journey of avocados, from lush green orchards under the California sun to the familiar products we enjoy every day. But besides avocados, kiwi is also an impressive superfood, packed with twice as much vitamin C as oranges and a refreshingly sweet tart flavor. Let's start with the basics. Kiwi grows on vines that are as ambitious as a New Year's resolution. These vines love to sprawl, stretching across trellises and soaking up the sun like they're on an extended tropical vacation. Kiwi vines thrive in climates with warm summers and chilly winters, a combination that's surprisingly hard to find. Think of them as the picky eaters of the plant world. The top players in this kiwi league are China, New Zealand, and Italy, with a few honorable mentions like Iran, Greece, and Chile. China leads the pack, producing more than half of the world's kiwi supply, over 2.3 million tons annually. New Zealand, despite its smaller size, punches above its weight by exporting its premium sun gold and green kiwis to markets all around the globe. Harvesting kiwi is no walk in the park. Unlike apples, you can't just shake the tree and watch the fruit tumble down like an avalanche. Kiwi harvesting requires a delicate touch and impeccable timing. Farmers use a clever trick to determine when their kiwis are ready. They measure the fruit's sugar levels using a refractometer. Only when the sweetness hits the right spot do they begin harvesting. Picking too early results in sour kiwis, and nobody wants to pucker up like they've just bitten into a lemon. Most kiwis are harvested by hand. That is a delicate and labor-intensive process that requires skill, patience, and a gentle touch. Unlike fruits that can be shaken from trees, kiwis demand a more personal approach. Farmers start by inspecting the vines, ensuring the fruit has reached the ideal sugar level for maximum sweetness. Once ready, workers carefully pluck each kiwi from the vine, holding it just right to avoid damaging the delicate skin. The fruit is then placed in soft crates to prevent bruising during transport. In regions like Italy and China, where traditional methods are still widely practiced, the harvest becomes a coordinated effort, with teams working in harmony to gather the fruit quickly while maintaining quality. Hand harvesting allows for greater precision, ensuring only the ripest and best kiwis make it to market. Though time-consuming, this method preserves the fruit's integrity, making sure every kiwi reaches consumers in perfect condition, ready to brighten up breakfast tables and smoothie bowls around the world. Harvesting kiwi by hand is a time-honored tradition that requires a unique blend of skill, patience, and care. As they harvest, workers often conduct a preliminary sorting. Any fruit that appears damaged, underdeveloped, or overripe is set aside. This initial sorting helps streamline the process when the fruit arrives at the factory. And not all kiwis ripen at the same time. Hand harvesting enables selective picking, ensuring that only perfectly ripened fruit is harvested, while leaving the rest to mature further on the vine. Once the bins are full, they are transported to a central collection point, where they're loaded onto trucks and taken to processing facilities. Every step of the journey is carefully managed to maintain the fruit's integrity and freshness. In many regions, especially in smaller farms, hand harvesting is part of a broader commitment to sustainable and traditional farming practices. This approach not only supports local labor markets, but also fosters a closer connection between the farmer and the land, promoting environmental stewardship and long-term soil health. Harvesting kiwi with robots is a game changer in modern agriculture. These advanced machines use cameras and sensors to identify ripe fruit, ensuring only the best kiwis are picked. With robotic arms designed to mimic the gentle touch of human hands, they carefully pluck the fruit without causing damage. This technology not only speeds up the harvesting process but also reduces labor costs and increases efficiency. Farmers can now harvest large areas quickly, even working day and night, thanks to these tireless robots. It's the perfect blend of innovation and precision, bringing kiwi farming into the future. The fruit is then placed into crates, which are loaded onto trucks and transported to the processing facilities. Think of it as the kiwi's version of a first-class ticket to the factory. Once the kiwis arrive at the factory, they're in for a serious glow-up, a transformation that would make even the most luxurious spa jealous. Step 1. The spa treatment for kiwis. Every great makeover begins with a solid cleansing routine, and kiwis are no exception. Their first stop in the factory is the washing station, affectionately dubbed the spa. conveyor belts whisk the fruits through a series of water jets and soft brushes. Imagine a high-pressure car wash, but gentler and designed for fruit. This process washes away any stubborn dirt, dust, or leaves that clung to the fruit during its trip from the vineyard. Dry cleaning kiwi in the factory is a crucial step in ensuring the fruit remains fresh and presentable without compromising its delicate skin. Unlike the initial wet washing, this process uses specialized brushes and air blowers to gently remove any remaining dirt, dust, or debris that may have clung to the fruit during transportation. The kiwis pass along conveyor belts where soft, rotating brushes sweep over their surface, cleaning them without causing bruising. High-powered air jets follow, blowing away any stubborn particles. This dry cleaning method is particularly important for preserving the fruit's natural texture and minimizing moisture retention, which could lead to spoilage during storage or transit. By keeping the kiwis dry, factories also reduce the risk of mold growth, ensuring the fruit stays in top condition for longer periods. This process not only enhances the fruit's visual appeal, but also ensures it meets strict hygiene standards before moving on to sorting and packing. It's an efficient, gentle, and essential step in the kiwi's journey from factory to market. Step 2. Sorting. The Kiwi Selection Olympics. Now that the kiwis are fresh and clean, it's time for them to face the judges in the sorting stage. Think of this as the kiwi equivalent of a beauty pageant, but instead of judges holding scorecards, factories use state-of-the-art technology to decide their fate. Lasers, cameras, and advanced sensors scan each fruit with more precision than a jeweler examining a diamond. This high-tech equipment evaluates every kiwi on several criteria: size, weight, color, and overall quality. The flawless ones, the creme de la creme, are destined for a life of luxury on supermarket shelves, where they'll be admired and chosen by discerning shoppers. These kiwis are perfectly shaped, have just the right firmness, and boast a vibrant, unblemished skin. Then there are the average Joes, the kiwis that don't quite meet the standards for fresh produce, but still have a lot to offer. These slightly smaller, less visually perfect fruits might not make it to your fruit bowl, but they're far from being discarded. Instead, they're sent to the next phase of their journey, where they'll be turned into delicious kiwi juice, jams, or other processed products. Nothing goes to waste in the kiwi factory. Every fruit finds its purpose. Step 3. Packing. Now, packing might sound simple, but it's practically an art form. Each kiwi is carefully placed in trays designed to cradle the fruit and prevent bruising. You'd think these trays were handcrafted by a team of fruit-loving artisans, given how perfectly they fit each kiwi. The trays are then neatly arranged in boxes with labels that provide all the essential information: variety, origin, weight, and even a little barcode for easy scanning at the checkout counter. It's a meticulous process because these boxes could be traveling thousands of miles to reach their destination. Kiwi isn't just a tasty treat, it's an economic powerhouse and cultural icon. The global kiwi industry generates billions of dollars annually. In countries like New Zealand, kiwi exports are a major contributor to the economy. The fruit not only supports farmers, but also provides jobs in processing, transportation, and marketing. In New Zealand, kiwi is a symbol of national pride. Across the globe, kiwi has found a place in both everyday meals and gourmet dishes. Kiwi is a nutritional superstar. It's packed with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. Some studies even suggest that eating kiwi can improve digestion and boost heart health. Plus, it's a great snack for anyone watching their calorie intake. The kiwi's journey from farm to factory is nothing short of impressive. What starts as a humble, slightly scruffy fruit ends up as a clean, sorted, and perfectly packed product, ready to bring joy to people across the world. So the next time you bite into a kiwi or sip on kiwi juice, Remember the incredible effort that went into its glow-up. And maybe give a little nod of appreciation to the farmers, workers, and high-tech machines that made it all possible. So that's the story about the kiwi. Hope you'll enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when our exciting videos go live. Goodbye.